Good morning, friends. Hope all of you are doing well in your fields and safe. I wish you all the best and pray to God for your good health. Today, we may discuss something about the recent announcements made by our worthy Prime Minister, sir. I will call it that our Prime Minister and our leaders have tried to give a new life to the industries and the business community as a whole and to the society at large also by giving various direct and indirect schemes to help us out. If we see and compare with the other developed countries, ours is a developing country and we are working on the deficit financing. Still, it is highly admirable that our worthy Prime Minister has announced a huge package of 20 lakh crores for the various sections of the society at large, and as far as MSMEs are concerned, the long awaited definition of MSME has been changed, has been amended. Now the units having plant and machinery up to rupees 20 crore and turnover up to 100 crore shall be covered under MSME. That is a very, very big relief because previously this limit was 10 crore only. And the announcement made by our worthy Prime Minister to take guarantee of 3 lakh crore of loans to be given to MSMEs as per the government norms, that is highly commendable. If we see in today's era, no one is ready to take a guarantee of anybody else of even 3 lakh rupees, and we are talking about 3 lakh crore rupees to be disbursed by banks and NBFCs to the existing MSMEs on the basis of 20% of the exposure which a unit has, which a unit had on 29th Feb 2020. Government will stand guarantee for that. It is highly admirable, and now we, the society at large, must come up to expectations of our worthy Prime Minister and must work on the formula of Make in India, self-dependent India, so that no developed country may overpower us. I can say with proud that our leaders are working day and night to set right the things. Hence, it is our duty to stand by their advice and to perform the best possible. Our government has taken care of all the sections of the society. So many concessions have been given to farmers, to workers, to unemployed persons, and so many more schemes are in the pipeline to be launched in the time to come. And I hope all of us will try to support and will try to stand by the aim of our worthy Prime Minister to make Indian economy a $5 trillion economy.